My name is Züleyxa Izmailova. I come from Estonia, Tallinn, and I'm the deputy mayor of Tallinn, and I'm also leader of Estonian Green Party. It is quite a green city. It's just near the sea, and it's quite green also. So it's sometimes it's really hard for me to make people understand that actually we have some environmental issues as well. Right now we have a situation where we don't have a purpose for the bio-waste. We don't know how to make it more valuable product, and that's what we're working on, how to make people and businesses want to engage more in creating something new from food waste. And what we can do from bio-waste, that we can actually use it to produce food for people living in cities and be more and more sustainable. I think that there's a lot of value there.
We selected 3 from this long list, which were...
I find it very important that people connect to people that think alike, and then they have a power and strength to make things happen. And that's where the real change comes from.
So, the procedure is as follows.
I think that I see the challenge maybe more precise now after we interacted with other people, maybe have the same problems, and maybe they already have the solutions to this question that you have, and the answer might come from just absolutely other direction that we hoped for.